Hi guys!
Welcome back to another video. So today we are back with product empties. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Okay, so the first product that I have is the Matrix Biolage Smooth Proof Smoothing Mask. I'm obsessed with this product. I've gone through like 2 to 3 tubs of it. It is so good. This retails for 475 rupees for 490 grams of product, which I think is insane. ये पूरा खाली है. It is so good if you have colored hair. Ends में अगर बहुत frizz है, use this. It is really nice. मैंने ना कोई भी hair mask से इतना difference नहीं देखा जितना मैंने इससे देखा है. Again, a very underrated product, but you all should definitely try it out.
So firstly, I have this Bee Blend Repair Remedy Leave-In Cream for damaged hair. So this is my second bottle. First I got a collab from them, and that is when I used it and I really loved it, and I got a second one. This one retails for 550 rupees. So I love this because मैं serums काफ़ी बार use करती हूँ ना, especially summers में, तो काफ़ी बार थोड़ा oily हो जाता है, and I love to apply a lot of serum. So cream is much better for me. So this is the reason I love this. So yeah.
Okay, so the next product that I have is the Herbal Essences Clean White Strawberry and Sweet Mint Shampoo. I also completed the conditioner. वो bottle मेरे पास नहीं है, but I completed it together, and oh my god,
Yeah.
this is by far the best shampoo that I've ever tried. So I collaborated with Herbal Essences, and that's when I got my hands on this. But उसके पहले से ही ना मैंने काफी अच्छे reviews सुने थे इसके, and I really wanted to try it out. So this shampoo retails for 600 rupees for 400 ml of the product. But ये बहुत बार ऑफर में रहता है कॉम्बो में, and I guess 800 में आपको दोनों मिल ही जाता है शैम्पू एंड कंडीशनर, एंड इट्स अ ह्यूज बॉटल. ओके, मेरे को ये 4 महीने से ज्यादा लगा इसको खत्म करने को, because you need a very less amount. It foams up really nicely, and if you have oily scalp, this is a game changer because it just deep cleans your scalp so nicely without like stripping off your natural oils. Your scalp really feels squeaky clean after you use this. It's so good, smells good, and has all like good natural ingredients and all of that. So check it out. It is really nice.
Yeah, even I've tried this,
Yeah.
and I really love it. Oh my god, this serum तो आपने इसका नाम हर जगह सुना होगा. Hyaluronic acid. So this is the L'Oreal Hyaluronic Acid Serum. A lot of people were raving about it, talking about it. Even Urvi reviewed it, and she also loved it. So I was like, let me get my hands on this. तो मैंने पहले छोटा वाला लाया कि try करते हैं. It is really good. I completely understand the hype. It's really good. I also have one more serum. This is by Dr. Shades. This is their niacinamide serum. I collaborated with them, and I have an in-depth review about this. Again, a very good serum, just for 550 rupees, and really good.
Then moving on, I have 2 face washes here with me. Both of them are the Simple Refreshing Facial. Well, both of them are the Simple Refreshing Facial Wash. This is good stuff. This is genuinely good stuff. 2 tubes khatam kiye मैंने, so that really speaks a lot. So this one has 150 ml of the product, and it retails
325.
Yeah, and it retails for 325 rupees. I got both of them in PR, but trust me, अगर PR में नहीं होता और मैं genuinely first time के लिए भी try कर रही होती तो I would repurchase this. It is a good face wash. Does not strip off your oils, or does not make you feel dry. Does the job, cleans your skin really nicely. And Simple is known for its ingredients, for its clean ingredients. So I wouldn't mind paying a little bit extra. I know, I mean, face washes 100-200 के बीच में भी काफी अच्छे मिल जाते हैं, but you are also paying for the experience. So I think it is a really good brand and a really good product as well. 2 खत्म की यार, मतलब it's good. You all should check it out.
Yeah, I feel Simple is a brand which is very
Underrated. Not a lot of people talk about it क्योंकि apparently उनका कोई campaign नहीं चलता है यहाँ पे. But trust me, they have some really good stuff.
Even I have a face wash. This is the Mama Earth Vitamin C face wash. This
Completely on the opposite.
Yeah.
हर blogger इसके बारे में बात करता है.
Exactly. This one it is for 250 rupees for 100 ml of product. A good face wash. I don't know how can a face wash be a bad for you.
Yeah.
But I to love.
You add and wash it off, right?
Yeah, exactly. I to love trying new face wash. So I'm going to get some other one. But if like I wouldn't say कि you need to go and get this. अगर आपको अच्छा लग रहा है लेना है तो ले लो, but nothing like you must try or must have. So
Then comes my all-time favorite lip balm. This is the Nivea Original Care lip balm. I've talked about this previously as well. Very basic lip balm. मतलब it's खत्म, कुछ भी नहीं है इसमें. ये 140-130 rupees का कुछ तो है. Again, it is going to last you for a really long time because it's a very thick lip balm. ज़्यादा high shine नहीं है. It won't like move around here there. It's not liquidy or like a gloss. It is thick. It just stays and आपका lips बहुत hydrated रहता है. Does not have any flavor or smell to it. इसमें flavors आते हैं दूसरे, but I don't like that strawberry thingy going in my mouth. So this original one is really good. I already have purchased this. मेरे vanity में पड़ा हुआ है अब तक.
moving on to fragrances. So firstly I have this Bath and Body Works का Japanese Cherry Blossom body mist. Oh my god, this is really really nice. मैंने इनका पूरा kit लिया था, shower gel, body lotion and the mist. I really love the mist. Obviously this is not very long lasting, but जब मैं तीनों use करती हूँ it lasts for a good amount of time. And मैंने ट्रैवल किट में लिया था. दिस रिटेल्स ओनली, if you buy only this it retails for 595, which I feel is a little expensive, but वो ट्रैवल किट में मेरे को काफी सस्ता पड़ा था. And the other one is this Nykaa perfume which Urvi had gifted to me on my birthday. And again this is a very good product. To be honest मेरे को इससे ज़्यादा expectations नहीं थी. I was not very excited to try this, but when I tried it for the first time I really really liked it. First of all it is travel friendly. आप किधर भी डालो, and like I am a person कि कभी जिम गई तो उसमें भी रख सकती हूँ or whatever. It is very nice and yeah, the fragrance lasts. The fragrance definitely lasts for this perfume.
Then the next product that I have is the Oriental Botanics Aloe Vera Green Tea and Cucumber Eye Radiance Under Eye Gel Roll-On. That's a long ass name. I have a detailed review about this already up on the channel, so if you want to watch that, go watch it. ये पूरा खत्म हो गया है, इसके अंदर से कुछ नहीं आ रहा है. Firstly, the packaging is really fancy. I love it. It has this ball thingy which is cold, so आप जब product disperse करते हो बाहर, it gives you a very cooling sensation and sort of a good experience. आपका eye massage हो जाता है sort of. And since this has aloe vera and cucumber in it, ये बहुत cooling है. Especially if you are a person like me जिसका screen time बहुत ज़्यादा है, it is very very helpful for that.
Talking about makeup removers, I have this Pond's का vitamin micellar water. I have always used the Garnier one. I got this in PR, so I was like, okay, let's give it a try. But this is also really good. Again, this is a product which is quite underrated. Not a lot of people are talking about it. I mean, we have 3 variants if I'm not wrong. Like quite good.
Then the next product that I have is the Khadi Natural Herbal Body Wash. This is in the variant Rose and Honey. Now I'm a person who loves trying out new random body washes. मतलब it doesn't have to be a known brand, unknown brand. मैं कुछ भी ले आती हूँ. This one was for 250 rupees for 210 ml of the product. Now this ये bottle छोटी लगती है, but नहीं. This lasted for quite some time because आपको बहुत कम amount लगता है. फोमा बहुत अच्छे से होता है. To be very honest, I did not really enjoy this that much because now I know सब body washes की fragrance last नहीं करती है long, but इसकी तो like बिल्कुल भी last नहीं करी. Like मैं shower से बाहर आई and the fragrance is gone. So I don't think you should check this out. It's just it foams up nice and it smells good in the shower while you are in it, but then the fragrance just vanishes. So I'm not a fan of that. But yeah, I mean आपको ऐसे try करना है तो you can, but I think there are much more good options in this price range as well, which would last at least a little longer than this one.
Next product which I have is by Pilgrim. So this is a hair mask. Again, I got this in PR. Oh my god, the shampoo and the hair mask, the combination is so good. First of all, they smell really really nice. This hair mask really makes your hair very very soft. So yeah, ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं इनका promotion कर रही हूँ, but I genuinely love these products.
And the next product that I have is the Nivea Whitening Sensitive Deodorant. Now, okay, I don't know why I have never talked about this product on our channel before. मैं 10 साल से use कर रही हूँ.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I am obsessed with this. मतलब मैं ना the first time that I bought this was actually when I first initially started going to college. So I used to travel local train से ना, and Mumbai humidity is real, okay? So तभी ना बूजी परफ्यूम्स लेने का अपना बजट नहीं होता था, राइट? सो आई यूज्ड टू बाय दोज स्प्रे वाले नॉर्मल डिओड्रेंट्स जो आते थे, बट ऑब्वियसली वो लॉन्ग लास्टिंग नहीं होते थे ज्यादा टाइम तक. सो वन ऑफ माय कजिन्स एक्चुअली रेकमेंडेड दिस टू मी. सो आई वाज लाइक ये 120 ऐसा कुछ तो था. सो आई वाज लाइक ओके लेट्स गिव इट अ ट्राई एंड देयर इज नो गोइंग बैक. मैंने इसके कम से कम 50 बॉटल खत्म की है. 10 साल से आई एम यूजिंग दिस. दिस इज सो गुड. आई लिटरली देयर वाज अ ब्रीफ पीरियड जब मैंने परफ्यूम खरीदना ही छोड़ दिया था, बिकॉज दिस डज नॉट कीप यू स्मेलिंग गुड बट यू डोंट गेट अ बैड ओडर. दैट्स फॉर श्योर. एंड मतलब अभी तो आई लव यूजिंग दिस इवन मोर बिकॉज आई शेव, सो माई आर्मपिट्स और माई हैंड्स गेट रियली ड्राई. सो ऑब्वियसली बॉडी लोशन एंड वो सब तो लगाती हूँ, बट दिस इज स्पेशली meant for your underarms and this just smells so good and it's a roll on, so it just makes it really fun to use. इसमें 2-3 वेरिएंट्स आते हैं, मतलब मैं कुछ भी ले लेती हूँ. इट्स नॉट कि ये वाइटनिंग का आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ इट डज दैट, बट कुछ डार्क नहीं हुआ इससे, दैट्स फॉर श्योर. इट्स सो गुड, इट्स सो गुड. जस्ट ट्राई इट आउट, इट्स वेरी गुड.
So next I have this vitamin C serum by Khadi. This is for 899 rupees. Again I got this in PR. So this is a good serum but not the best serum. I feel there are better serums. First of all it's for 899 rupees. So अगर मैं face shop का serum 899 rupees का खरीदूँ ना, I feel it is worth because it gives me that amount of results. For this I'm not sure about, like I मैंने अच्छे से use किया. I did not react to my skin. It was good for my skin, but I wouldn't go tell anyone कि you need to go and get this. So yeah.
Moving on to makeup favorites, I just have 2 products with me. So I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Ashton. This is a smaller size. ये पूरी खत्म हो गई, मतलब there's just nothing left. मैं बहुत ट्राई करती हूँ बट नहीं निकलता है इसमें से कुछ. This is a very old lipstick. ये इसको खत्म होने में बहुत टाइम लगा भाई. It is a small size but it just lasted for so long. Again there was a brief period where I was just using this and matlab trust me I have gotten so many compliments every time I wore this. This is a perfect nude shade for an everyday basis if you are around my skin tone. Definitely on the expensive side. Anastasia is now available in India. ये तो मैंने बहुत पहले Instagram store से मंगवाया था, तो तभी भी काफी expensive था, but so worth it. The formulation is like crazy. How do these brands have such good liquid lipsticks that don't dry out your skin? It does not peel off from the center, it does not fade, it's just there. And with this shade I'm definitely buying a full size of this because I'm obsessed with this. It's so good.
So guys, the next product which I have, I guess ये हमने मेकअप जब करना चालू किया था ना तब भी खरीदा था. So this is the My Glam Chisel It palette. This is in the 3-in-1 highlighter, blush and contour palette. So my contour is completely gone. Highlighter हल्का सा है, 1-2 यूज और निकलेगा. एंड ब्लश थोड़ा काफी है, बट एक पैलेट को खत्म करना इज अ ह्यूज थिंग. ये ब्लश भी मैं बता रही हूँ थोड़े दिन में हो जाएगा, बट ये दोनों को खत्म करना इज अ ह्यूज थिंग, वरना पैलेट्स इजीली खत्म नहीं होते. आई गेस 4 साल से 4 साल से ये पैलेट यूज कर, एक्चुअली एक्सपायर हो गया होगा अब जब मैं बोल रही हूँ 4 साल, but I really love this product.
The last product that I have is the Smashbox Superfan Fanned Out Mascara. This is a mini. ये मैंने full 2020 में सिर्फ एक mascara use किया है. It's a good mascara but definitely not worth the price. मतलब it is lengthening, it is volumizing, all of that good stuff, but वो Maybelline के 500 रुपए के mascara में भी होता है. I won't like repurchase or buy the bigger size.
So yeah, that was for this video. For us, surprisingly, we have few products which we did not like. Yeah, so I guess this video will be helpful for you. Which product should you get or not? But yeah,
if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And we shall see you all in our next video now.
Bye.